Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to buy the Pryz coin easily yourself. So what you want to do first, you can go to the PoolCoin app and then find Pryz, just type it in and then it'll look like this. Here you can see the graph and all the information. So what you want to do then, you want to make sure you're using Google Chrome because we are going to be using the MetaMask wallet. So MetaMask is a digital wallet. It is a Chrome extension. It's super easy and secure. I use it myself as well. Hit install MetaMask, and once you've installed it, go to extensions and go to MetaMask and then make your account. It's super easy and it should look like this. Then go to networks and make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain, but probably if you just created your account, it's not here. Because you have to create it yourself, go to custom RPC. Network name will be Binance Smart Chain. This is the RPC URL, and I'll put all of this down in the description, so you can just find all the information in the description. This is 56 BNB Block Explorer. Just copy and paste it and then hit save. Once you've done that, go back and make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain and it will look like this. And in order to buy the Pryz coin, we first have to transfer it into Binance coin and then we can swap it to Pryz. So first add some Binance coins to this wallet. For that we are going to be using Binance. If you don't have a Binance account yet, go ahead and create it through the link in the description down below to get 20% lower fees. Go to wallet then, fiat and spot. There we go. And then find BNB, type it in. There it is. Hit withdraw, and we are going to withdraw it to MetaMask. Open your MetaMask wallet again. Copy your account ID and then hit address. Paste it in, and as you can see, it's already on the Binance Smart Chain network, which is great. Then select the withdrawal amount. Let's do 2, just an example. And once you hit withdraw, it will be added immediately, like within seconds, to your MetaMask wallet. So it will show up here, which is absolutely great. Then when the BNB amount comes up, so for example 001 or 2 or any amount, you want to go to pancakeswap.finance. This is the website, and then you want to go to trade, hit exchange, and now connect your wallet. So hit connect, MetaMask, and boom, it's automatically connected to your MetaMask and also connected with the amount of BNB you have. So we want to transfer BNB to another currency, which is Pryz. So we have to go to Pryz on PoolCoin again, copy this part of the link, so from 0 to F, go to PancakeSwap, paste it in, and here it is. We can add it, add the amount of BNB, and this is the amount of Pryz we can buy, and then you can hit buy. So of course I don't have enough balance, but this is how you want to do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.